What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Before we continue, this is one of our cats, Meg. She's actually a really cute kitty cat. She loves belly rubs. That is, until she does that. You're a good kitty. You'll be seeing her and another cat named Ramses. We're going to go ahead and show you him right about now. Hi, Ramsey. You're a good kitty. This is Ramses. He's in another room. And he purrs. Anyways, for today's video, we're going to be doing fidget spinner flip trick shots. This is a YouTube first. I don't think any other YouTube channel has done this yet. So I'm going to get the fidget spinner out. I'm going to try not to damage this thing. But let's do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh! It landed! Landed perfectly on that table. Now, let me try this other one. I'm not going to do the dining room table, which is just ahead because that's granite. And I don't want to damage that. So here we go. 3. That one didn't work. Alright, so I decided to come outside to do it onto this thing. I'm going to do it from a distance this time. 1, 2, and 3. That worked. Now, a lot of people keep wondering if I want to go higher, and I'm going to try to do it on this ledge now. Oh, didn't work. Alright, accumulate. This is just the damage that was accumulated from that one flip alone. I'm going to try a different ledge. I'll do this ledge now. Hope it doesn't go over into our neighbor's house. Whoop! That didn't work. There was one place that one. This will be easy. Yes! I did it. Let's try it one more time. Alright. That was actually really cool. Now, as you can see, actually, let me move over to the other side. Here we go. This is just what was accumulated from these flips and tricks alone. Alright, thanks so much for watching, everybody. Don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment below. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn the bell to join the notification squad. And we'll see everybody next time. What's up, everybody? You've reached the end of this video. This is an official face reveal, in case you guys didn't know. And I hope everybody likes the studio. You may have seen this on Instagram already, but this is the first time I've ever had this appearance on YouTube. First off, just leave a like if you want to see a part 2. I might be doing a part 2 in the springtime, so just keep a lookout for that. We have 3 things to tell you guys today. First off, I want to say you can follow me on Instagram at tsc_scofficial and add me on Snapchat at tsc.snaps. I think I've mentioned this in the last video, so I went ahead and mentioned it in this video in case you didn't get what I said then. I'm running out of words today. I'm always repping with Nike, as you can see. This is one of their newest fashion trends of last year. Like, it's It's amazing. Also, a lot of people keep asking, how do you obviously do the skadoosh? Well, if you've seen Kung Fu Panda, you kind of know that the basis is a wuxi finger hold. There's actually a term for this. And then you just extend your pinky outwards into what everybody knows as the skadoosh. It's a great way to get back on the haters. Not clickbait, guys. Also, man, there's a blade up there. That's a new ceiling fan. Also, drop a comment if you want to see cats playing around with a string attached to the ceiling fan. I would totally do that if anybody agrees with that. The first Pokemon Go Community Day is in a few days. It's January 20th, 2018, 11 to 2. Go explore your local parks and beaches, and you'll probably catch a Pikachu, and if you do, it may probably know how to surf. So if you live near a beach, you can probably go check that out. That might increase your possibilities of catching Pikachu. I actually have an update about this. My original plans for vlogging that day have sadly been cancelled. I know it's sad to tell you guys this. It's because we're having people coming over to install a new window for our studio. I can't wait to show you guys that. We can finally get some fresh air into this room. Especially if my cat farts in here. You heard me right. My cats fart. But just not on camera. I am out of words right now. Like, I'm going to end the video in this next one. I have a bonus thing to tell you guys. I'm probably going to start doing shoutouts starting in a few videos. Like, probably around next time. And if you probably came here because of Instagram or Snapchat, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the bell to join the notification squad. We're under program testing authority right now. We're fully launching this summer. If you want to get involved on how you can get involved in our big grand premiere, just stay tuned for around April or May-ish, and then I'll be giving you guys more details on how you can get involved in the grand premiere events. If you watch the channel trailer, if you're new, it'll tell you the exact date, but I haven't specified the exact time that we're launching. Or did I tell you guys what it will exactly be? But I've hinted at a celebratory, like, banner arts. Also around that time, I would probably be very close to graduating. I'm actually a high school senior, class of 2018. I know it's quite exciting. Alright, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. We'll see them later. And we're out.